Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to use your Domino's gift card to order pizza online. First head to Domino's website at domino's.com, log into your Domino's account and you can get also free deals when you're signing to your Domino's for the first time, and then browse through the menu and select the items to order. Alright, this is the menu. You can browse, click here to see the full menu, and then once you've added your items, then add to the cart, click on the cart icon and proceed to checkout. All right, this will pop up and the number will increase as you add item, and then choose delivery or carry out and fill in the details here. Or for carry out, enter the zip code or city, then click continue for delivery. And at the payment screen, select yes, I have Domino's gift card or promotional card. All right, and this is the gift cards, and then you can choose to pay with your card. Just simply enter the 16-digit gift card number and security code and then apply the card. This is what the card looks like, and this is how you can redeem at restaurant, on the app or website, or over the phone as well. So this is how you redeem. Just simply gift code, apply card, and it should be deducted from the total value of your order. Or if you have enough budget, it will be fully deducted. And that's all there is to it. Now, here is how you can redeem your gift card over the phone. Call them at the nearest location, choose delivery or pickup, specify the contents, and provide a gift card number and security PIN to the staff via the phone. And that's all there is to it. Just a quick note, if you're using gift card, you won't be able to tip through the online payment screen. You need to tip in cash. If you tip, that is. So keep that in mind, and that's it. Your Domino's pizza is on the way. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next video.